Hello students, this is your new Priyanka ma'am welcoming all to your computer class. But today, before beginning the class, I thought of talking to you all a little. So, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Are you missing your school? I'm sure you are, because we teachers, your sisters, all are missing you guys a lot. Are you helping your parents at home? You should, because they are going through a tremendous pressure nowadays. They are not only doing the household works, but also helping you in your studies and also doing their office works. So it is very important, it is very necessary nowadays to help your parents as much as possible. So now let's begin our today's class.
Our today's topic is uses of a computer. Our today's topic is uses of a computer. Today you will learn about different places where computers are used and uses of computers in daily life. Students, in your previous chapter, you have already learnt how computers can do different types of work. That is why computers are used almost everywhere. Some of the places where you can see computers being used are at homes. How computers are used at homes? You can play games, you can watch cartoons, movies, you can do your homework with the help of computers, you can store photographs. What else you can do? With the help of internet, you can send messages, letters, pictures, you can buy things online and many more. Now, computers are used at schools. How? By your teachers. Your teachers use computers to teach lessons through videos and presentations. No, because of this computers only, right now we are able to send you this video classes. By the students, computers are used how to learn through activities and games. In your school offices, computers are used, right? How to send different notices, letters, to keep different types of records, right? In annual function, computers are used how to play music, to show different types of presentations. So these are the few ways how computers are used at schools. I'm sure that all of you have visited Big Bazaar. What you have seen there? You have seen they are making and printing bills with the help of computers, right? What else they can do? They are keeping a record of the items that they have in their shop, right? So these are the few ways how shopkeepers are using computers in their shops. Now, how computers are used in banks? In banks, computers are used to keep a record of the customers of their bank. Also, to transfer money from one bank to another. So these are the few ways how banks are using computers. Now, how computers are used in railway stations and airports? first of all to book tickets, to tell the arrival and departure times of trains and aeroplanes. At airports, to fly planes, computers are used, right? And in railway stations, computers are used to control the running of trains. So these are the few ways how computers are used in railway stations and airports. At offices, computers are used to store office information, to share information with other offices, to type, print and scan documents, etc. In hospitals, computers are used by the doctors to treat patients. They keep records of the patients and medicines they have in their hospitals. Computers are also used to give the results of different types of tests. We use computers to do different types of things, such as to draw and color, to type, to do sums, to play games, to watch movies, videos and photos, to listen to music and many more. Students, I am sure that you have heard about the term Internet. So what is Internet? Internet is a service which is used through a computer to do many different things for work and fun. We use Internet to find information about anything with the help of the search engines such as Google, Yahoo, etc. With the help of Internet, you can buy things while sitting at home. By using Internet, you can send emails or electronic mails and messages to anyone. With the help of Internet, you can chat with your friends who are far away from you. Your parents can pay bills with the help of Internet while sitting at home. Now it's time to do a quick recap. Computers are used in different places such as homes, schools, shops, offices, etc. Computers are used to type, draw and color, do sums, play games, watch movies, etc. We can use the Internet to find a lot of information, send emails, buy things, etc.
So students, this is the end of your today's class. I hope all of you have enjoyed your today's class. Thank you and stay safe.